Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to resize images on Wix. So let's get started. So to do that, you can see in here that I have uploaded an image on my Wix website editor. So there's an image right here. If I want to resize it, I can just utilize this sort of circles right here. So if you click on that, and then you drag and make this smaller, as you can see, this will look smaller just like this. So in there, you should be able to adjust this according to your liking. So another method that you can do is you can click on the image, then click on the settings icon right here. So click on the settings icon. And then once you have done that, this will open the image settings for this specific image. So from in there, let's just scroll down. Then you can see in here what this will look like. So we can add in this adjust and just click on this adjust option right here. And then once you have clicked on the adjust option, you should be able to open this specific editor wherein you can see the photo studio wherein you can edit your image and all of that. You can also click on this crop and resize. And then the crop ratio, which is this one. And then you can also just choose this right here in order to put in your resize option. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to resize image on Wix. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.